Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. It's been so long that I have not talked with you guys. So I am here with you with a new topic for you all. So today's topic, as you can read by the title, how to make child practice writing. Yes. So most of the parents were asking me, ma'am, how we can make them sit, how we can make them writing practice. So before going to the videos, before telling you the tips and tricks, so here you need to know the two reasons why your child doesn't want to write. The first reason may be that the child is not ready to write. Yes, means the fine motor skills and the hand and eye coordination is not ready yet. So for that, we have to make them practice the activities related to fine motor skills, hand and eye coordination like beading, coloring, scribbling. These are the activities related to hand and eye coordination. And this improves the fine motor skills as well. Yes. And the second reason is the child is not interested to write. So for this, the child will hold the pencil and he will keep on sitting. He will read properly, he will speak properly, but he is not ready to write. But why the child is not writing? Because the child is not interested. And for this, you have to ask the child that what happened, why you are not interested. And then the child may answer that it is boring or you give me a lot of work to write. So for this, the mothers, the teachers have to act smartly. So if it is boring, you have to make in a fun way. And if the child says that there are many things to write, then obviously you have to slow them down. So these are the two reasons. Now, I will tell you some tips and tricks how we can make our child write. Yes, the child can speak properly, the child can read properly. The main point is how we can make our child to write. So the first and the foremost trick is stop forcing them to write. Stop forcing them to write. Making them force and making them you have to write will not help you guys. Yes, so we don't have to force our children to write. We just have to simply say that let's write this and indulge them in talking and make them write. The second pointer is to talk to the child. Talk to the child, as I told earlier only, that you have to know the reason why your child is not writing. So talk to the child, be a friend with the child, and then sort that thing out. Whatever the child says, whether it's boring or they don't want to write anymore, whatever the thing is. Okay? And the next, third step is make writing fun. Make writing fun. You have taken out the printouts of many sheets and you are just giving and the child is doing, giving and the child is doing. That will make the reading, writing, all the things very boring. So no, you don't have to do like this. You have to give one sheet and make the child the writing very fun way. Like what all the things are there in the sheet, just relate them with the daily lives, or just make them just ask them to make some sentences on those words. So this way the child will improve the thinking, imagination power also. Cognitive development will also take place in this way. So this is the third point. The fourth point is start with little and then increase slowly. Just start with 5 minutes writing a day, 3 minutes writing a day, then go with 10 minutes, 15 minutes. This way the child will not feel bored, the child will not feel burdened. And the fifth point is be consistent. Make a habit that you always in a day you just spend half an hour with the child in writing, reading, speaking, in whatever way. The child will also be in habit that yes, I have to sit for half an hour daily for this work. So these are the 5 pointers which I believe that the children will always need to write. Yes, so these are the 5 points that will make your child practice writing and they'll never feel bored. So, but before practicing these points, you should know the reason why your child is not writing. I hope these points will help you out. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.